I wanted to do a quick video today about mindset. So many people have come into the new year and they're setting goals of starting businesses. They're setting goals of doing new things. And that's all great. And I love entrepreneurship. You hear me saying that you build wealth and there's 3 paths to wealth, and one of them is entrepreneurship. So I'm all for entrepreneurship. But the thing about being an entrepreneur is it's not just coming up with a great concept. It's not just coming up with a great idea. It's the mindset behind it. Listen up, guys. To succeed, it's 80% is mindset or your mental, and 20% is mechanics. So only 20% is that concept and you implementing that great idea and you pushing that great idea. That's only 20% of it. That 80%, in order for you to see success, that 80% is that mindset and the work that you put behind it mentally. So it's like, let me liken it to moving into a new house, right? With the same broken furniture. Just because you move into a new house and you have that same broken furniture, your broken furniture is not just gonna start working just because you're in a new house. It's the same thing. If you want to start a business, but you have that same broke mentality, or you have that mindset of an employee, or you have just that you're carrying the same mindset into your new business setting, it doesn't make it work. Your mindset doesn't change. It doesn't make it work because it's in a new setting. You have to really feed your mind. You are what you think. You are what you eat. You are what you eat physically. You are what you eat mentally. You are what you eat. So really, if you want to succeed in any type of business, start working on changing your mindset. Change your mind, change your life.